Looks like Samsung might be jumping on the Slim is in bandwagon yet again. The buzz about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 is that it's set to be the thinnest fold yet. Sounds exciting, right? Well, not so fast. There's a twist. The rumor mill, fueled by a leak from Crow Row, suggests that Samsung might be scaling back the S Pen experience to make this sleek design happen. What does scaling back even mean, though? That's the mystery. It could be fewer features, a less capable pen, or, brace yourself, no S Pen support at all. For a series that doesn't even have a built-in slot for the S Pen yet, this could be a bit of a letdown. For some context, the current Galaxy Z Fold 6 is already impressively thin at 5.6mm when unfolded. Then there's the Z Fold Special Edition, exclusive to Korea and China, which shaved that down to 4.9mm, but completely ditched S Pen support to get there. If Samsung wants to push the Fold 7 even slimmer, it's easy to see how the S Pen might not make the cut. And it's not just Samsung that's obsessed with shaving off millimeters. Rival brands like Oppo are also going all in on ultra-thin foldables, with whispers of the Find N5 aiming for an insane 4mm thickness or less. It feels like Samsung might be feeling the heat from the competition, but is thinner always better? This wouldn't be the first time Samsung's made compromises for the sake of design. Just look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Some argue its slimmer frame came at the cost of dropping the S Pen's Bluetooth-powered air actions. Could we be seeing history repeat itself with the Fold series? Of course, this is all still speculation at this point, so don't toss your current Fold out the window just yet. But if the rumors hold true and the Fold 7 sacrifices S Pen features for a slimmer profile, it's bound to ruffle some feathers among fans. So, what's more important to you? A paper-thin design, or keeping the full S Pen experience? Guess we'll find out soon enough. Stay tuned to the channel for more updates, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.